Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Bagh School. I am your geography teacher Ms. Shamila Qayyum from Pakistan Studies Department. Today we are going to discuss your third lecture part 1 from your O-Levels textbook, The Environment of Pakistan, page 97, taken from Unit 6, Fishing Industry. In this lecture we are going to discuss following topics. First one is areas of fishing, in which we discuss different areas used for fishing in Pakistan. In second part, we will describe different types of fish found in these areas. This lecture is actually divided in two parts and both parts will discuss side by side in whole lecture. Let's start from areas of fishing. In Pakistan, fishing is practiced in three major areas. A type of fishing which is practiced along sea or large water body or ocean, it is known as marine fishing. A type of fishing which is practiced along rivers, lakes, dams, barrages is known as inland or freshwater fishing. And third one is fishing which is practiced in man-made ponds or farms along rivers or sea, it is known as aquaculture. In your first part of this lecture, we will discuss only marine fishing, while in second part we will discuss inland fishing and aquaculture. Let's define marine fishing. Marine fishing is also known as saltish or brackish water fishing. It is only practiced in sea, ocean or along coastal area. In Pakistan, marine fishing is only practiced along the coastal area of Arabian Sea, which is 1100 km long and adjacent to Iran in west and India in east. The continental shelf is about 5270 square kilometers and the total maritime zone is over 30% and includes some very productive areas with rich fisheries. Let's define these difficult terms. Continental shelf is actually the edge of a continent that lies under the sea or ocean. The maritime zone is actually a boundary which is a conceptual division under the international law of internal waters or sea, which is the right of a country to use for fishing purpose, extraction of minerals or other biological resources. Pakistan maritime zone is 12 nautical miles. In Pakistan, marine fishing is practiced in Arabian Sea and adjacent coast of Makran and Sindh. Let's discuss types of fish found in marine areas. In Arabian Sea, we found sharks, herring, sardines, drums, mackerel, cuttlefish and rays. We also found lobsters, prawns, squid, octopus, skates and catfish in Arabian Sea. Dear students, let me clear you one thing, that there are certain types of fish which specially found along the Makran coast, and these fish are speciality of Gwadar port. They are mackerel, sardines, herring, drums, catfish, croaker, shrimps, cuttlefish, octopus and squid. Let's discuss the areas of marine fishing in Balochistan. In Balochistan, the area along Arabian Sea is known as Makran coast. It is 600 km long and further divided naturally in following ports: Jivni, Gwadar, Pasni, Ormara and Somiani. Look at the map of coastal area of Pakistan. This area is actually known as Makran coast and this area is known as Sindh coast. So, Jivni, Gwadar, Ormara, Somiani are famous for marine fishing in Pakistan. Let's discuss famous areas used in fishing in Sindh. In Sindh, area adjacent to Arabian Sea is known as Sindh coast and it is used for marine fishing. In Sindh, following ports are used for subsistence and commercial fishing: Manoda, Karachi, Keti Bandar, Kimadi, or it is also known as Kimadi Jetty. Look at the map of Sindh coast. Here Kimadi is found. At this point Manoda is found. Here Karachi is already labeled, while Keti Bandar is located in the south of Sindh. It's all about your today's lecture. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.